How to silence notifications on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and swipe down from the top right of the screen to open the control center on your phone. Then, tap on the focus button. Simply tap on Do Not Disturb to activate it. This will immediately silence all incoming calls, alerts, and notifications. Now, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone to silence notifications for a specific app permanently. Inside Settings, tap on Notifications and scroll down to the list of your apps. Find and tap on the app you want to silence permanently. At the very top of that app's notification settings page, tap Allow Notifications to turn the switch off. This action will completely disable all banners, sounds, and lock screen alerts for that one app, without affecting notifications from any other apps on your phone. Following these steps, you can easily silence notifications on an iPhone.